I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Jeep Wrangler cabin air filter. This easy method will save you time and money. First, open your glove box completely. You will see two small retaining clips on the sides. Carefully remove these clips, then gently lower the glove box. This reveals the cabin air filter housing, making the next step straightforward and simple. Now that the glove box is down, you will see the cabin air filter housing. There are two small tabs on the cover. Unclip these to open it. Carefully pull the old filter straight out from its slot. Before discarding it, take a moment to observe the airflow direction arrow printed on the filter. This detail is crucial for proper installation of the new filter, ensuring optimal performance. With the old filter removed, it's time to install the new one. Make sure the airflow arrow on your new filter points in the correct direction, which is typically towards the rear of the vehicle. Slide the new filter gently into the housing until it's fully seated. Once it's in place, close the filter housing cover, ensuring both tabs click securely into position. This step is vital for a tight seal. Finally, lift the glove box back into its original position. Reattach the two retaining clips you removed earlier, making sure they are secure. Close the glove box firmly until it latches properly. Changing your cabin air filter regularly improves air quality and HVAC efficiency. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This simple maintenance task keeps your Jeep Wrangler fresh and comfortable for every journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.